What's the meaning of brown sauce? Brown sauce. Brown sauce.
Brown sauce. Brown sauce. Brown sauce is a popular condiment in British cuisine. It is a savory and tangy sauce typically made from a blend of caramelized onions, tomatoes, molasses, vinegar, and spices such as cloves and garlic. The sauce has a rich, deep brown color and a complex flavor that pairs well with meats, roasted vegetables, and fried foods. Brown sauce is often used as a topping for dishes like bangers and mash, and can also be used as an ingredient in recipes for stews, sauces, and gravies. Overall, brown sauce adds a unique and delicious flavor to many British dishes.